Charleston County in north-central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hebron, or over the colony, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, Garland, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Satch C, Corinth, Highland Village, Addison, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm, and Murphy. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 446 and 460. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This severe thunderstorm